What's up everybody, I hope you guys will be doing good. So as you guys know that recently I bought a funded challenge, my first ever funded challenge, and I passed it within 2 days with a 70% win rate. I shared it on my Twitter as you guys can see in the screenshot. So in today's lecture I will teach you the simplest strategy to pass your funded challenge. This will be the most simplest strategy and the most easiest strategy that you can use, and also I will show you the trades that I took to pass that challenge, so you guys will get the idea of how to manage the risk. Before starting the lecture, I will suggest you to buy an account in the Alpha Capital group. I don't care if you go with my affiliate link or not, but recently I made a video about another firm. I passed it, but then I was facing issues in the KYC verification. But with the Alpha Capital, the KYC verification process is so easy. You will enjoy that, and also they have their own app which is pretty fast. Okay, now we will go through their dashboard. I will give you a quick review of their dashboard and what they are offering, their prices. The interesting thing about their firm is the $0 commission, and I will tell you in just a moment why they have $0 commission. And you can use it in 180 plus countries. Okay, there are no regional restrictions, and 215k plus traders are using it. Okay, now this is also interesting, the custom built trading journal. Like usually the trading journal is paid and you cannot use it for free, but with the Alpha Capital group in their app you can use it for free and it will help you a lot in your trading. Okay, also you can try their monthly competition. You can win a 200k challenge, a 100k challenge, and a 50k challenge. Okay, they have the free trials, you can try that and you will enjoy that, and I will tell you why you are gonna enjoy it, because of their $0 commission. You can The interesting thing about their firm is they offer $0 commission. Okay, and I will tell you in a moment why they offer $0 commission. Also, you can use it in 180 plus countries, so there are no regional restrictions, and 215k plus traders are using this firm. Yeah, this is another interesting thing about their firm, the custom built trading journal. Usually the trading journals are paid and you cannot use it for free, but in their app you can use it for free and it will help you a lot in your trading. Okay, you can try it. Also they have free trials, so you can check their spreads. They are pretty good and I will explain why they have such good spreads. And also they have the monthly competition. You can win 200k challenge account, 100k challenge, and 50k challenge accounts. Now if you go down, now why they are offering the $0 commission? Because they have their own broker. Okay, the ACG markets, and this broker is so good, like you can use it in the free trial and you will know by yourself. Okay, their spreads are pretty good just because they have their own broker. Okay, and the slippage is also pretty good. Now this is what they are offering: a 200k, 100k, 50k, 25k, and 10k accounts. And they have their phases, the phase 1, phase 2, and then you will be funded. So what you have to do in the phase 1, let's check their 100k account. In the phase 1 of their 100k account you have to achieve 8%. Okay, usually in the other firms the target is 10%, but in the Alpha Capital you get the target of 8%, which is $8,000. So you have to make $8,000 profit in the phase 1, and then you will get the credentials for your phase 2, and you have to make the 5% profit, which is 5,000, and the maximum drawdown is 10%. Okay, in the phase 2 the maximum drawdown is also 10%, and the daily drawdown is 5%, like the other firms. Once you are funded, the rules are the same. The max drawdown will be 10% and the max daily drawdown will be 5%. It means that if you lose 5% in a single day, you will be disqualified. Okay, max virtual capital growth is 200k. Now the minimum trading days are 3 days. You have to trade for 3 days, and then if you pass your challenge you will move on to the phase 2, and then again you have minimum 3 days, and once you are funded you have to trade for minimum 5 days for withdrawals. Okay, they have $0 commission just because they have their own broker. Okay, you can trade through news. Okay, you can hold over the weekend, and this is their price. For 100k they are offering $497, but with my discount code I have given it in the description, you will get 10% discount, and let's see their 200k account. This is 997. Again, there will be 10% discount, and 50k is 297. I will suggest you to buy as bigger account as you can, because with bigger accounts you can see that you can risk more, but with smaller accounts you can't risk more. Like the max drawdown is 1000. Now if you buy 200k, the max drawdown is 20k, so that's a lot. Now the smallest account that they're offering is 10k, which you can buy on $97, and if there is a 10% discount, it will cost you around $87. Now if we go down, their withdrawals, you can withdraw every 2 weeks, okay, and you can trade on the MT5 platform. You can buy their account with Bitcoin, okay, with crypto, or with Stripe, and this is pretty much all about their dashboard. You can see that their trust pilot reviews are pretty good. You can check it out. So the strategy that we will be using to pass our funded challenges is called the SFP strategy, which stands for Swing Failure Pattern Strategy. In this strategy, we will be using two time frames, the 4-hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. In this example, you are seeing a GBP chart, and this is the 4-hour chart. So the first thing that we will do is mark the swing highs and the swing lows. You can see this is the recent swing high. We will draw a line here, okay. Now I will show you another example. This will be the bullish example, so we will draw this line here. These were the lows, okay. So the first thing was marking these swing highs and swing lows, so we marked this swing high and this swing low. Now the next thing is you will wait for the sweep of these swing highs and these swing lows. In this case, you can see that a candle came up, okay, and it swept this swing high. So the two conditions are met. Now the third condition is we will wait for the price to close below this swing high. So you can see we got the swing high, the price went above it, swept the swing high, and then the price closed below it. In this case, you can see this was the swing low, the price came down, okay, swept this swing low, and then closed above it. So these are the three conditions that you have to look for on the 4-hour time frame: a swing high, a sweep of the swing high, and then a close below it. This is bearish example, and in bullish example you will mark a swing low, then you will wait for the sweep of the swing low, and then a close above it. Now we will shift to smaller time frame, which is 15-minute. So you can see this was the high, it got swept here. Now what is the next thing we will do on the 15-minute? On the 15-minute chart, we will mark the swing low that was formed before sweeping this swing high. So you can see this was the swing low that was made before sweeping that high. So we will draw a line here, and the next thing will be we will wait for a close below it, okay. So we marked the swing low, we waited for the close below it, and the close happened. So this was the swing low that was made before sweeping the high. We got a close below it, and once the price goes up and touches this line, this is where you will enter into your shorts, okay. This will be our entry. Our stop loss will be above this swing high. The stop loss is wide in this case, so the lot size will be smaller, and you will target 1.7 RR. So let's see where are our 1.7 RR. Okay, so you can see we got our 1.7 RR target. Now I will show you this example, this bullish example. What happened? This was a swing low, the price swept this low. This was the last swing high that was formed before sweeping the low. So we will draw a line here, and once the price comes down and touches this line, this is where we will enter, okay. In this case, the stop loss is a bit tighter than the previous example, and again we will target 1.7 RR. So let's see where is 1.7. So you can see this 1.7 RR, and let's see how much pips we get. This is a target of 60 pips.